Chapter 9. Python, a popular programming language. You are already aware of the fact that we need computer languages or programming languages to communicate with computers. In this chapter, you will learn about a popular programming language named Python. Python and its features. Python is a general-purpose, high-level programming language popularly used for website development and other purposes. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum, who started applying these languages in 1989. Python is widely used to develop websites, web applications, games and graphical user interface programs. Features of Python. Open source language. Python is a free and open source programming language. An open source language is one which can be easily improved and distributed by anyone. You can download Python free of cost and use it on any operating system such as Windows, Mac or Linux. Easy to code. It is very easy to write programs in Python as compared to other high-level programming languages. This is because the language used to write Python codes is similar to the English language. Interpreted language. The code you create in Python is executed line by line, which makes it easy to correct any errors. On execution, a Python code is immediately converted into an intermediate form. This is known as bytecode. The bytecode makes it easier to execute or run the code in future. Dynamically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed language. This means that you do not need to declare the type of variables in advance. For example, if you write a is equal to 16, you do not need to specify the variable a as an integer or string. Object-oriented. Python has an object-oriented approach. This means that the programs are designed using objects and classes that interact with each other. Integrated and extensible language. We can easily integrate Python with other languages such as C, C++. We can also write and compile a Python code in C or C++. How to install Python? First of all, you need to install Python on your computer system. To download and install the Python software, you can follow the steps given below. Step 1. Type http://www.python.org/downloads in the address bar of your browser and then press enter. Step 2. Click on the Download Python 3.10.6 button. Step 3. Double-click on the downloaded software. You can either look at the bottom of the screen or locate the software in the Downloads folder of your computer. The security warning dialog box appears. Step 4. Click on the Run button. The Python setup window will appear. Step 5. Select the Add Python 3.10 to Path checkbox. Step 6. Click on the Install Now button. Within seconds, Python will be installed on your computer successfully. Programming in Python. There are two basic programming modes in Python: interactive mode and script mode. Interactive mode. Interactive mode is one of Python's most useful features. It is a command line shell which gives immediate result for each command. This mode allows you to type one command at a time. Python executes the given command and gives the output at once. To start Python and work in interactive mode, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Scroll down the list of programs and click on Python 3.10 folder. Step 3. Click on Idle, Python 3.10 64-bit. The main idle window will appear. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It is a code editor. You can write and execute Python programs in the editor itself with its help. Components of Python idle window. The Python idle window has two components. Menu bar. The menu bar of Python idle window is similar to the menu bar of other programs. It displays different menus such as File, Edit, Shell, Debug and Options. Prompt. This is the name of a blinking cursor that you can see after the symbol in the window. The prompt allows you to enter commands directly into Python and get an output instantly by pressing enter. You can type different commands at the prompt and can immediately get the results. For example, type 2+2 and press the enter key. The result 4 appears on the screen. Try more values and see the results. Script mode. The script mode saves the commands entered by the user in the form of a program, which does not happen when you use the interactive mode. To understand the working of script mode, let's divide the process into 4 parts. Creating a new file. To create a new file, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Open the Python idle window. Step 2. Click on the File menu. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click on the New File option. A new editor window with a blank file will open. Writing a program. Type the program code in the Python window. Saving Python program. You can save a Python program by following these steps. Step 1. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Go to the Save option and click to open the Save as dialog box. Step 3. Select the desired location to save the file. Step 4. Type the name of the file in the File Name box. Step 5. Click on the Save button. The file will be saved by the given name at the location you have selected. Running a Python program. To run a Python program, you may follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Run in the menu bar. Step 2. Click on the Run module option. The program will execute and the output will be shown in the shell window. Input and output. For input and output, Python has two commonly used functions, input and print. Input function. Python's input function takes the user's input when a program executes. The general syntax of the input function is given below. Input prompt. In the above syntax, prompt is the string or message that we want to display on the screen. See the example given below. Name is equal to input. Enter your name. Enter your name, Samir. Print function. Python's print function either prints or sends the output to a standard output device, usually a monitor. This function auto-converts the items to strings. That means if you try printing a numeric value, the print function automatically converts it into equivalent string and print it. The print function also inserts spaces between items. The general syntax of the print function is given as under print expression 1, expression 2, dot. For example, print Python is very popular. Let's learn to use the input and print functions by creating a program. Variables in Python. In Python, a variable is a symbolic name that refers or points to an object. It tends to store a value that can change. It is saved in a special spot that is like a numbered storage bin. When the program needs the value in the variable, it takes it from the bin. A variable consists of two parts, name and value. To create a variable, you first need to write the variable name, then an equal to happy smiley symbol, followed by the variable value. For example, player is equal to Vinay. The names given to the variables are known as identifiers. In Python, we do not need to specify the type of a variable because Python is a dynamically typed language and it identifies the variable type automatically. Let's see the following example to understand it better. Num is equal to 0.5. Price is equal to 40.3. Total is equal to round underscore price asterisk num2. Print total. Declaring and initializing a variable. Variables in Python are declared and initialized at the same time in the following manner. A is equal to 20. B is equal to 30. Print A is equal to A. Print B is equal to B. On the output screen, A is equal to 40 and B is equal to 60 will be printed. You can also assign the same value to multiple variables at the time in the following manner. A is equal to B is equal to 20. Print A is equal to A. Print B is equal to B. On the output screen, A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 20 will be printed. You can also assign multiple values to multiple variables in the same line in the way as shown below. Name, age, grade is equal to Akash, 11, 6. Print, name is name. Print, age is age. Print, grade is grade. On the output screen, name is Akash, age is 11 and grade is 6 will be printed. While creating and naming the variables you need to follow these rules. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters, all the letters of the alphabet and numbers, and underscores, underscore. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. Variable names cannot contain any special character or symbol. Variable names are case sensitive. Data types. Data types are the different types of values a variable can contain. For example, a person's name must be stored as a string value whereas a person's age must be stored as an integer. Data types in Python are as follows. Int. This is a positive or negative whole number without any fractions. For example, A is equal to 3. Float. This is any real number in which a fraction is denoted by a decimal symbol. For example, A is equal to 3.5. String. This is a collection of one or more characters put in single or double quotes. For example, A is equal to hello. Comments in Python. In Python, comments can be used to explain parts of the code. They can also be used to hide the code. Comments enable us to understand the way a program works. In Python, any statement that begins with the hash symbol is understood as a comment. Python does not execute comments. Comments are not a part of the program, but they do enhance the interactivity of the program and make it readable. In Python, we use two types of comments, single line comment and multiline comment. Let's know about them. Single line comment. If a user wishes to specify a single line comment, the comment must begin with the hash symbol. See the example given below. Multiple line comment. In Python, you cannot use a syntax for multiline comments. You will have to insert a hash symbol for each line to add a multiple line comment. See the example given below. Remember that the text written inside triple quotes, or, is also considered as a comment. You can use the triple quotes to write multiline comments. See the example given below. This is a multiline comment. This is, or, a multiline comment. Operators and their types. Operators in Python are special symbols that help to perform arithmetic and logical computation. The values which the operators use to get the output are called operands. For example, in the expression 5 plus 4, 5 and 4 are operands and the plus sign is the operator. Let's now discuss the different types of operators in Python. Arithmetic operators. In Python, arithmetic operators perform arithmetic operations between two operands. The arithmetic operators are described in the table given below. Program 1 to perform all the arithmetic operators. The result of the above program is as follows. Assignment operator. You can use an assignment operator to assign the value of the right expression to the left operand. Some assignment operators are described in the table given below. Program 2 to perform all the assignment operators. The output of the above program is as under. Logical operators. We use the logical operators to evaluate and decide. They are as follows. Program 3 to perform all the logical operators. The result of the above program will be as follows. Relational operator. In Python, we use relational operators to compare the values of the two operands and return true or false accordingly. These operators are described in the table given below. Program 4 to show all the relational operators functions. The result of the above program is as follows. Operator precedence. Operator precedence helps to determine the order in which the different operations are performed. The operator precedence in Python is listed in the table given below. Some more programs. Program 5 to subtract two numbers entered by a user. Program 6 to calculate the average marks obtained in 3 subjects. Program 7 to calculate the volume and surface area of cylinder. Knowledge zone. Python uses a very easy to read syntax. Some of its syntax comes from C, because that is the language Python was written in. Writing a program in Python takes less time than in any other programming language. Many big companies have used Python for their products and services. They include Google, IBM, Quora, Facebook, NASA, Nokia, Uber, Shutterstock, and the list goes on.